Welcome back to TechRums. Today we're going to show you how to undo a folder on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's say we have an app and we're going to press it for a little while and put it on a different folder. So we have a folder with 3 apps and we want to undo it. Well, there's no easy way to do it. The only way we can do it is manually take all the apps out. So here we can hold on and we can remove the folder, which I don't know if it would remove all the apps. So we can remove from home screen, and that removed all the apps. Or we can hold on to the folder. Let's hold for a little while. Let's hold an app for a little while. Let's open the folder and let's hold on for that a little while, and then we can remove it. We can go ahead and remove these apps, pull them out of the drawer. So basically out of that into the normal screen. Grab the next one, put it on the normal screen. Grab the next one, put it on the home screen. Grab the next one, and we have to do this for all the apps that are there. Basically, as you can see, it doesn't even want to listen sometimes, so we put them there. Hold another one, and when we do the last one, basically the folder will be removed completely. So we take it out, and that folder now has disappeared. If we want to create the folder again, we just have to regroup them all by holding for a little while and then just moving it around onto the apps that we wanted or that we wanted again. Just put them all together, and then we have our apps all together again. So that is how we remove a folder from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thank you.